Welcome to our webinar about the Juniper Promotional Code module. My name is Sandra Sanchez. I am part of the Juniper Sales Consultants team, and today I'll be explaining what the Juniper Promotional Codes is all about. Before we start, you'll see that you have a panel on the right side of your screen where you will be able to ask questions during the webinar. And after we finish, I'll try to dedicate a few minutes to answering them. In case it would not be possible or if any question is left unanswered, we will review it afterwards and contact you by email to provide you with an answer. Also, and for those who are watching this video at a later stage, at the end of this webinar, you will find our contact address in case you have any further doubts, and our team will be happy to assist you. We will start with a short introduction about the module. We will inform you about what you can do with it, how it works, and what are the benefits of contracting this module. Then we will give you a short live demo following all the steps that were previously explained to see some visual examples. We will conclude the webinar with a brief summary, and at the end, we will inform you where you can find information about this module on the Juniper support tool and where you can view this webinar again as it is being recorded. So let me start by giving you some context to this module. In this diagram, we have an overview of the modules that are currently available in Juniper. On the left side, we can see the product to be sold coming from both external suppliers as well as own contracting. The rules of all these products are defined in what we call the Juniper back office or intranet, where you can configure your clients, intranet users, business rules such as markups, commissions, taxes, etc. And then on the right side, we can see all the different types of distribution channels that Juniper offers. As you can see here, the Juniper Promotional Codes module is part of the available additional modules configurable from the Juniper intranet. Let's see what the Juniper promotional codes are. The promotional codes module allows you to create different offers and discounts for your customers. These can be applied to all the product types you work with, regardless of whether the client's books your directly contract product or from your external suppliers. Your customers will be able to apply these codes both on the website as well as via web service. And we have three types of discounts that can be configured on the system. Early booking discounts or sales discounts in advance, which are applied during availability, meaning that the customer will see them on the results page. The original price then will be streaked through and the new price will be displayed on top. Then we have the promotions, which are unique promo codes of one-time use, and campaigns, which is a code that can be used by multiple clients with a maximum number of users. These are typically used for campaigns like Black Friday or summer specials. Let's move on to how this module works. So the early bird discount feature, also named sales discount in advance, is designed to incentivize bookings and reward early planners. You will have the flexibility to name your discount and provide a more detailed description. You can also illustrate the benefits of the discount by associating an image or redirect to a URL that elaborates on the discount conditions. Being able to configure either a percentage or a fixed discount allows you to align it with your pricing strategies. As you will be able to tailor the discount application based on parameters such as booking date, travel date, and days in advance, you can optimize your promotional efforts. Additionally, considering other factors like sales channel, product type, supplier, and agency group can further maximize the impact. I would like to add that these discounts can be cumulative, meaning customers can take advantage of multiple offers, leading to increased bookings and revenue. Then we have promotions. This feature is meant to facilitate targeted campaigns and enhance booking customers' engagement. And it allows you to generate unique discounts codes for single use. These codes can be utilized to create promotional cards and customize email campaigns, among other marketing materials. Similar to early bird discounts, promotion type discounts can be offered as either a fixed amount or a percentage off. Additionally, they can also be applicable as gifts, adding versatility to your promotional strategies. They cannot be cumulative. Each code is intended for single use and cannot be combined with other discounts. I'd also like to point out that these single-use codes are generated automatically by our platform, eliminating the need for manual intervention as it will also track whether the code was used and in which booking. This transparency facilitates performance analysis and helps you assess the effectiveness of your promotions. Our last type discounts are campaigns. The campaigns option is designed to streamline mass marketing efforts and drive engagement, offering discounts with limited use. Let's see more in detail its capabilities. Similar to promotions and early bird discounts, campaigns offer the flexibility to provide fixed or percentage-based discounts. Additionally, discounts can also be applicable as gifts, catering to diverse marketing objectives. Like promotions, campaign discounts are non-cumulative and cannot be combined with other discounts. With campaigns, you have the option to create codes with limited use. This enables you to customize codes to align with your branding and promotional themes such as Black Friday. In addition to generating discount codes, campaigns allows for codeless activation. This means you can set conditions for discounts to be automatically applied without the need for customers to enter a code. Furthermore, let me say that these discounts can have unlimited use within the specified parameters, simplifying the redemption process for customers. We're going to see now what the benefits of contracting this module are. The first benefit is that the easy customization allows you to tailor discounts effortlessly to suit specific campaigns, ensuring targeted marketing efforts and increased effectiveness. Also, by personalizing efforts to enhance customer loyalty and drive conversions, you can create meaningful interactions that appeal to your audience. Streamlining campaign management by automating tasks frees up time and resources for other strategic initiatives. Attending to the needs and preferences of all customers with a range of discount options enhance their satisfaction and encourages repeat business. And strategically applying discounts and launching new campaigns can generate more bookings and increased revenue. Therefore, you are maximizing profitability, helping you to achieve your business objectives. Let's start with the live demonstration. Let me access to the intranet of our demo environment. Okay, here we are. Let me just change the language. Okay, so from this section here, we are accessing the main menu where we can configure this type of discounts. As I mentioned earlier, it is possible to create 3 types of discount for both external and own product and for any type of customer, the early bird discount, the promotions, and the campaigns. So at the bottom of the screen, we can see different buttons to create discounts, the new sales discount in advance, the new promotion, and new campaign. As we have said, this new sales discount in advance refers to early bookings. Okay, so when we click on it, let's start with the new sales discount in advance. We see that 2 tabs are displayed, the discount maintenance and add image. In the discount maintenance, we can indicate the name of the discount. So let's say offers, for example. We should complete this information for all the languages you have contracted to be able to see it on the website. We can add a description, for example, 25% discount for early booking. Okay, then we have the type of discount appearing by default sales in advance in this case. The type of discount, if it's a discount or a gift, in this case the system defaults to discount and disables the gift option. This is because the gift type is only applicable to campaigns and promotions and not to sales in advance. Then there is a checkbox to activate it. If it is cumulative, since the sales in advance discount can be used together with other discounts of the same type. Commissionable if we want the agency commission to be applied on the discounted price instead of the original base price, because by default this type of discount is applicable to the base price. There is also the value. If, as in this case, it is a discount, the value will indicate the amount that will be discounted, but in case of being a gift, the value will be optional and will represent an increase in the selling price, for example, the shipping costs. The percentage, in case we want the discount value to be percentage based, and if we want the discount to be applied to the total price instead of the base price without taxes, we will have to check to click the checkbox apply to total price. Let me add here that this is only applicable to percentage discounts. When we select the fixed type option, the apply to total price checkbox is disabled and a drop down with currency options appears. Okay. So for this example, we're going to indicate a sales in advance discount, applying a 25% discount. We can define the maximum discount allowed, the maximum discount amount allowed, and if it applies per booking, per night, per passenger, or per night and passenger. Let's say 1,000. Further down, we will see the section applied to flow, where you can configure whether the discount applies only to packages, products, or both. In the discount conditions section, you can indicate the range of booking days during which the discount is allowed. Let's say from 1st March until the 3rd of September. Okay. You can also indicate the range of service date during which the discount is allowed. From April to during 2024. Okay. And it is also possible to indicate the range of booking time during which the discount can be applied, the maximum and minimum yes, right here, the maximum and minimum days in advance of the service date for the discount to apply. Then we have here the minimum and maximum amount conditions for the discount to apply. The suppliers from whom the discount will be applicable, or those we want to exclude. We can also indicate the channel, the product list. Then there are the agency groups, the zone. Let's say we want to apply this discount for an agency. For example, let's say this one. Okay. And then we have the loyalty category and the product group. All these options are not mandatory. You can deselect them if you want. And the discount will apply to any booking day, booking date, time, agency, or area. But let's say, let's skip the agency here so that I can show you then on the website the discount applying to this agency. Okay, and the system also allows us to specify more detailed conditions for services and accommodation. Let's say we want this early booking discount to apply only to a certain group type, group of product type. For bookings with 2 adults, 1 children, 1 room, and 2 nights. And we can also remove them. Okay, it is also possible to indicate the dates of bookings or travel we want to exclude from the discount, so the discount does not apply during the specified date ranges. And the system allows us to configure a fixed amount that increases the discount in the value field according to the number of hotel nights or the duration of the booking in days. Okay, in the Add Image tab, you can add as many images as needed for promoting the discount and add a URL to specify the discount terms and conditions. Once an image is added, then it will be displayed in this table here. Okay, let's move on to promotions. As you already know, this type of discount allows you to create unique single-use promotional codes, for example, for creating cards with unique codes or emailing campaigns with personalized codes so the customer can book as many products as desired and apply their discount afterwards. This type of discount will generate a booking line and of adjustment type with a negative amount. So let me just add the name. Let's say promotion. Let me add a description. Enjoy 50% of your booking. That it for other languages contract. Okay, then the comments file field will also allow your customers to identify on the website the type of gift associated with the discount. Let's add a 50% value and 1,000 are maximum allowed per booking. Okay. And the rest of the fields are basically the ones we have seen previously in the sales in advance discount. But in this case, we can create promotional codes simply by indicating the quantity of codes we need. And the system will generate the codes. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, should be this one. Okay, we'll see them here. Yes, these promotional codes created can be exported to Excel. And we can also add images in the same way we explained in the previous discount type. Okay, so lastly, look at the campaigns. So we should add the name for the campaign, for example, Black Friday. %20 off the description. The value and the maximum discount allowed per booking. Okay. This discount is similar to the previous one, but we do not generate unique single-use codes. Instead, we write the promotional code for the campaign and indicate the number of uses. Let me show you. Okay, here we can indicate this promotional code, Black Friday, and indicate a maximum number of uses, let's say 1,000. And as bookings are made using these discounts, the available users will decrease until the defined number of users for the discounts reaches 0. This type of discount generates an adjustment line in the reservation with a negative amount. But you can to generate campaigns type discounts that are always applicable to all reservations that meet specific criteria without needing to manually enter a code. Uh, for instance, if we would like to give a pass to a tourist attraction for a hotel reservation with an amount exceeding 1,000 euros, we need to check this always applied checkbox so that the customer does not need to enter any promotional code. Okay, let me use this one so that I can show you on the website. Okay, images can be added as indicated for the other types of discounts. And for campaigns, the system allows to enter BIN codes for as many bank cards as necessary from this card tab, so that when we using the bank card on the website, the associated discount with its BIN code is applied. They can also be imported massively with a CSV file, and loaded codes are exportable to Excel. So now let's see how this type of discounts would appear on the front website. We're going to start with this last campaign discount. So after we do the search, okay, and indicate the passenger details. If we click on finalize booking, or it is in Spanish, let me change the language. Okay. So if we finalize the booking, we will be able to apply the campaign booking code right here. So as we can see, the discount has been applied, and it would be exactly the same for promotions. So then for the early booking discount created, we have specified that it only applies to the agency Sunny Holidays credit. Therefore, we will need to use the login of this agency to access. Let me log in with this agency credentials. Okay. And since there are no more restrictions, we will see how this discount is automatically applied when this agency searched a product. So as you can see here, this was the previous price, and here it is a new price with a discount applied. Okay, for all the booking. I mean, for all the product displayed. Okay, so let me go back to the presentation. Okay, so in conclusion, in this webinar, we have highlighted the following key points. The tool enables your business to generate various discount types according to your needs, including early bird discounts, promotions, and campaigns. You can choose the discount type that best aligns with your pricing strategy, ensuring optimal results with maximum impact. Discounts can be applied as either fixed amounts or percentages, providing versatility and promotional offerings. By personalizing your discounts and incentives, you can improve the relationship with your customers, increasing loyalty and repeat bookings. And lastly, by implementing strategies, discounts, they can ultimately contribute to the overall success and profitability of your business. If you would like to read back some of this information, you can find it on the Juniper support tool under articles and webinars, or you can watch this webinar again on our YouTube channel that can be accessed through our corporate website, juniper.com. Thank you all for your time. I hope this webinar has been useful. Should you have any queries, please feel free to send us an email to salesconsultants@ejuniper.com and we will be happy to assist you.